Welcome to English in a Minute. A corner is basically an angle where two sides meet.
Boxed in a corner.
Let's find out why these two are talking about corners.
What's wrong? You look worried.
My friend Niko quit his job, had a baby, and bought a new house, all at the same time.
How's that going?
Not good. He's out of money.
It sounds like he boxed himself in a corner.
If you are boxed in a corner, you are in a situation where there are very few or no good solutions. This expression comes from the world of boxing. During the fight, the corner is not where a boxer wants to be. It is difficult to defend him or herself while in the corner. And that's English in a Minute.